ॐ आपातालनभस्थलान्तभुवन ब्रह्माण्डमाविस्फुरतु ज्योतिस्फाटिकलिङ्गमौलिविलसत् पूर्णेन्दुवान्तामृतैः हस्तोकाप्लुतमीकमेशमनिशं रुद्रानुवाकान् जपन् ध्याये दीप्तितसिद्धये ध्रुवपदं विप्रोभिषिञ्चे शिवम् ब्रह्माण्डव्याप्तदेहं भसितहिमरुचा भासमाना भुजङ्गैः कण्ठे कालाः कपर्दाः कलितशशिकलाचण्डकोदण्डहस्ताहं रक्षारुद्राक्षमालां सुललितवपुषस्याम्भव मूर्तिभेदाहं रुद्रश्रीरुद्रसूक्तप्रकटितविभवः नः प्रयच्छन्तु सौख्यम्। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ शिवाय गुरवे नमः। ॐ अरुणाचलेश्वर श्रीगुरुदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ भवशिवहरेभ्यो नमः। अन्बे शिवम्। Amma's most beloved sweet children, I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Today I am going to speak about Gomata. 20 years before we have organization about Kaumata. In Bharat, people worshipped Kaumata like goddesses. 33 crores of gods and goddesses are dwells in Kaumata. They just trust that, no second thought. So many Santa Mahatmas, Sadhu Purushas and so many yogis, they guided Bharat. Kaumata is like a divine mother. In Lalitambika Sahasranamam, we have beautiful mantra Gomatre Namaha. We worshipped in Bharat Kaumata, Go Saraswati, Go Mahalakshmi, Go Gayatri Devi, like innumerable names. We felt 33 crores of gods, goddesses in the entire body of Kaumata. In the Cow Puja time, in the each area, in the foot, they do the puja for certain devatas, in the knees, in the body, in the face, in the eyes, in the back, in backbone, stomach, everywhere they invoking all the devatas, and we have very special Kaumata puja. How much benefits from Kaumata, people never going to imagine that. When we are small children, my grandmother, she was giving treatment to lot of people. What kind of treatment? She is not a doctor, but anybody get stroke, paralysis stroke, immediately people came to her and she was giving some organic cow ghee to them. That organic cow ghee, they have to put in their nostrils some couple of drops. In 1 hour, in 20 minutes or like half an hour, the stroke will become completely normal. She was treating so many people like that. She was really not a doctor, but Ayurvedic doctors are giving this small instructions to the regular people. Everybody was using these instructions and helping the society without any expectations, thanks or anything. They did all the sevas. We love Kaumata so much. Especially I love Kaumata like anything. Kaumata is my favorite, my very very favorite. I like animals, birds, all those things so much. Because every living being is nothing but God only. Especially Kaumata is very special. We never treat Kaumata like an animal. Kaumata is goddesses. 33 crores of goddesses, gods in Kaumata. Kaumata is Mahalakshmi. Kaumata is Maha Saraswati Devi. Go Saraswati Devi. Kaumata is Mahakali Devi. Kaumata is Chandika Parameshwari Devi. Kaumata is Gayatri Devi. So all the gods' name, Kaumata is Lalitambika Devi. This was the feeling in people's heart when they worshipped Kaumata with a lot of love and devotion. Love brought devotion. If the love is not there, there is no place for devotion. Love is nothing but devotion only. So because of that love, we love the Kaumata so much. I got a wonderful opportunity to do Kaumata Seva when I was in Penunsula Forest in my meditation time, in my tapas time. It was a beautiful story. I want to share that story with all of you today. So when I have been to United Nations every year in the CSW time, in the month of March, I have been there for the programs, to participate in the programs. And then when I back to New York, I also participated in that programs. And then not only that, we have in all the cities, we have so many programs from United Nations programs. For example, global warming programs, climate change programs, and then plastic eradication programs, greenery programs, counseling programs, women programs, and the empowerment of the women programs. We did in Phoenix and so many cities, all these programs. And then we have programs about the girls and education, and then programs about the challenges of the women, domestic violence, lot of programs. My introduction to United Nations, I am from Bharat. That is my efficiency to sit here in these programs. I born in that divine land. There were so many lands in the entire world. God is not partial towards any countries or any continents or any places. The beautiful, beautiful countries, beautiful people, but Bharat is very special and very divine country, because there is so many countries are Bhoga Bhumis, very lavish countries, big construction, so many things were there. But Yoga Bhumi in the entire universe is Bharat only. Yes, it is Danya Bhumi, Punya Bhumi, Moksha Bhumi, Jnana Bhumi, Veda Bhumi, Shanti Bhumi, Danya Bhumi, Upanishad Bhumi. The dirt particle, one dirt particle from Vrindavan, when it fell down on our head, people get salvation. Just one dirt particle from Kasi, if fell down on our head, we are definitely going to get salvation. One dirt particle from Penunsula, so many holy rishis, Khandva Maharshi, Vasishta Maharshi, Bharadwaja Maharshi, Agastya Maharshi, Guru Gautam Maharshi, Viswamitra Maharshi, Jamadagni Maharshi, all these great Bhrigu Maharshi, everybody did tapas there. So very powerful Kundalini Mandal from Tirumala and Ahobilam, Penunsula, all these mountain ranges are in one Kundalini Mandal. Ending is the Sri Sailam. It's incredible Kundalini Mandal on Mother Earth when we make the beautiful land of Bharat from the Puri Jagannath to all the way towards Kailas. It is the Shankar Bhagwan male portion. From Puri Jagannath, when we come down, we have in Andhra Pradesh, Tirumala, Ahobilam, Penunsula Kshetram, Sri Sailam. All of these beautiful pilgrimages are Kundalini Mandal. It is like a serpent, beautiful serpent on Mother Earth. And then from the down portion, this is the female portion, Divine Mother portion. So this is a yoga land. In this land, Vedic Rishis, they did great tapas. Great tapas. They enter into the inner silence, inner kingdoms, experience the Supreme Almighty within themselves. They experience the Supreme Consciousness in every atom of this universe. What the truths they revealed to this world, it absolutely they want to take all the mankind towards the consciousness levels to attain realization in this lifetime. For that reason, Vedic Rishis worship the cows like Gomatre Namaha, Go Saraswati Namaha. Cow, we have Krishna time, 800,000 crores of the cow matas. 800,000 crores of cow matas. Cow sampada, wealth is the major sampada wealth in Bharat at that time. Just 5,000 years before, not very long time. 5,000 years before, 8,000 crores of the cow mothers. Gradually, all the cows are completely, they disappear and disappear and disappear. Today you have just only some 6 crores of the cows are remain in Bharat. We felt very sad about that. We started a cow organization 20 years before in Bharat. Our SMA Trust organization we started. We want to protect cow mothers. So that's why Brahmi cow mothers. Brahmi cow, if you protect Brahmi cow mothers, we are doing so much to the mankind. Brahmi cow milk, Brahmi cow ghee, all the products from the cow mother giving so much healing to the mankind. Not only that, when we wake up and see cow mata, all auspiciousness comes to us. All kinds of Saturn problems deleted from the life. So much negativity disappear from the life. When people drink the Brahmi cow milk, they will get Suddha Sattvika nature. To get the Suddha Sattvika nature, to delete Rajasic mind, Tamasic mind, it is not that much easy. Very hard. To do more sadhana for to get the Sattvic mind. Suddha Sattvic mind, very impossible. We have to do so much tapas to get that absolute Sattva mind. But definitely we get Sattva mind, Suddha Sattvic mind, by drinking the Brahmi cow mata milk. We get that how much tapas we do, that tapas power is going to get by the Brahmi cow mata milk gives that benefit to us. So sweet children, I got a wonderful opportunity to do cow seva in my life. Really, every day we are doing cow, my mother and grandmothers and grandmother, everybody was doing cow mata puja. They have so many cows, Kapila Go cows, brown color cow, they like that cow so much, white color cows, all the cows, cow is very powerful. So waking up and then going around the cow mata have a speciality. Brahmi cow mata have a very special boon there. In the cow mata backbone there was a Surya Ketu Nadi. The Surya Ketu Nadi attracts the 27 stars around the cow mata. When you go around cow mata, the 27 stars energy enveloping your body, all your star problems, your Saturn problems, any problems never going to influence on you. That is the power of the cow mata, going around the cow mata. When going around everyday cow mata, and their body will become very active, they have no negativity, no anger, no restlessness, so much peace, solace comes in their life.